Also, back a couple years ago, before we did YouTube, we made all kinds of knives and stuff like that. So this isn't our first time making knives, just our first time videoing it. So hopefully we actually make it. I have a feeling that we're a lot better at making knives than we are at making videos. So hang in there with the videos and we're going to get better and better. And hopefully the knives look good in video and in pictures. That's a whole nother thing, is trying to get a decent picture of a knife after you make it.
Metal cups are.
I honestly don't.
I mean, you know what I just remember? I had a bunch of little knives Jack would like to finish.
Where are they?
I don't know. Jack ransacked all my stuff.
It's fun going through this stuff after we haven't looked at it in so long. We're just unpacking everything and unearthing all of our cool stuff from our old house. Oh, this stuff is going to be cool. This epoxy stuff.
I wasn't going to do any of that.
I just found a really nice one that you made a long time ago.
They're all pretty nice.
It's like a really pointy little dagger. Yeah, it looks forged.
Woo! Here. Here's what's that golf ball.
Oh my god.
What?
These are all knives.
No, they're not. They're files. Are they all nice?
Oh, that one's good. Oh, nice. Cool, good. Alright, I'm outside where I can actually see now. I'm not in the dark garage. We don't have the best lighting in our garage right now. So this has all been stabilized in a vacuum chamber. I can't tell you in the video what it feels like, but doing this one hand, it's hard. This feels like steel. This is a whalebone that's been stabilized. And it's so heavy and dense, it's unreal. Look at this. All burl wood infused with dyed resin. These are going to make some amazing handles. There's a piece of burl wood in there. As you can see, it's been a while since we used any of this stuff. So we'll get it all out. Clean it all up. Get ready to start doing some knife making. Definitely going to take a while to get the bugs worked out and get them adjusted, obviously. It looks like you need to like lean it out a little bit. Does that? Well, I guess it's really not supposed to be like a torch.
No. But I can turn it down for that. Fine.
It's going to go through that gas quick.
Oh yeah.
We have a metal plate to cover the back somewhere. We might have used it.
In there, probably most of it.
You're good.
What?
You're good.
Just stop.
No, you're good. I can edit it. Trust me. Go.
Whatever. All right. I'm happy you got here when I did. I was about to wrap them up. I'm done working on them today. Got them all heat treated, or at least hardened. I still have to temper them, but I got them all sanded just with like real quick with 220, just to get the scale off so I can look at or watch the temper.
They look good. What's your favorite one?
I don't know, I like this one.
This one's got the best feel to it, for sure. God.
The handle of that one's going to be really cool, though.
Looking good, looking good.
Pearl. It's pretty good.
I
feel like the thicker ones need to be in longer.
Wait, I told you that yellow.
Well, yeah, it's not about how it looks. It's how you know the steel's been softened enough.